Prepare to uncover the 5 hidden tests from the universe, each meticulously crafted to shape our journey toward our deepest desires. Picture the cosmos as a masterful guide, setting challenges not as barriers, but as vital steps in our path to enlightenment. From subtle nudges of success to the transformative power of loss, I'll reveal how these universal tests forge our determination and belief. We will also explore the intricate dance of manifestation and the universe's pivotal role within it. This concept, often wrapped in a veil of mystery and allure, uncovers the deep and profound connection between our most earnest desires and the vast, intricate workings of the cosmos. Let's begin. The universe, vast and enigmatic, isn't just a bystander in our lives. It's an active participant. When we speak of manifestation, we're talking about bringing our deepest desires into reality. But how does this process actually work? It's not just wishful thinking or mere coincidence. Instead, it involves a fundamental principle known as the law of vibration. The universe resonates with our emotions, which, when intensified, become our vibrational frequency. The law of vibration, a cornerstone in understanding the universe's involvement in our lives, asserts that everything in the universe, including our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, vibrates at a specific frequency. These vibrations aren't random or insignificant. They are powerful forces that shape our reality. Every aspect of our physical reality reflects the emotions we hold within. When we align our vibrations with those of our deepest desires, we create a resonance that can draw these desires closer to us. How do we achieve this alignment? I tell you through experience that forcing your cause or trying too hard is not effective. Instead, we need to tune ourselves much like an instrument to resonate at a frequency that matches that which we seek. This alignment is where our thoughts and emotions play a crucial role. By consciously raising our vibrations through positive thoughts, gratitude, and joy, we align ourselves with abundance and prosperity, setting the stage for manifestation. Manifestation transcends mere wishful thinking and taps profoundly into the realm of psychology. At its heart lies the empowering concept of personal power, the belief that our thoughts and actions wield significant influence over our success. This notion isn't just about positive thinking. It's an acknowledgement of our ability to shape our reality through deliberate choices and intentional actions. Equally vital in this process is the idea of cosmic collaboration. Here, the universe isn't a distant, indifferent force, but a dynamic partner in our life's journey. It plays a crucial role in aligning the right opportunities and connections, creating a path that leads us towards our goals. Sometimes this cosmic collaboration shows up in our lives as tests or challenges. Stick with me to the end of this video as I will share with you 5 different ways the universe tests you before blessing you with the manifestation of your desires. By embracing both personal power and the revelation in cosmic collaboration, we step into a space where we actively co-create our destiny with the universe, leveraging both our inner strengths and the external forces that guide and support us. The essence of manifestations calls for a blend of emotion and action. Visualization and positive thinking lay the groundwork, but they must be coupled with tangible steps toward our goals. This involves not just dreaming about what we want, but also actively working towards making it a reality. It's this combination of maintaining a positive mindset and taking concrete steps that transforms the art of manifestation into a dynamic and effective process. In our journey towards achieving our goals, the universe often presents us with challenges that can be seen as tests. These tests are not meant to deter us, but to strengthen our resolve and ensure our readiness for the realities we desire. Take, for instance, the journey towards acquiring wealth. This path is not just about accumulating financial resources, but also involves a transformation of our mindset, habits, and attitudes toward money and success. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, often places obstacles and situations that test our authenticity and preparedness for such a reality. These challenges force us to confront our limitations, fears, and misconceptions about wealth and success. Overcoming these tests often means evolving into a version of ourselves that is more capable, responsible, and aligned with the kind of prosperity we seek. Now let's get into the 5 ways the universe tests us, each more profound than the last, leading to a crescendo of transformation and alignment with our deepest desires. It begins subtly, as the universe presents us with a small portion of what we're seeking, like a modest financial win or a minor professional achievement. This initial test gauges how we handle and cherish these small victories, setting the tone for larger successes. Following this, we encounter challenges that seem to obstruct our path. Rather than mere setbacks, these are opportunities for growth, testing our resilience and adaptability. Each hurdle we overcome brings us closer to our goals, unlocking new levels of potential. The journey intensifies as we face skepticism or criticism from those around us. This is the universe's way of testing our resolve and focus, pushing us to stay true to our vision despite external negativity. The universe then gives us a glimpse of our desires, only to retract it, teaching us perseverance and realignment. This test isn't about denial, but about encouraging refinement in our approach and maintaining faith in our journey. The most powerful test involves experiencing loss, the removal of something significant from our lives. This profound challenge teaches detachment and trust in the universe's grand plan. It's a transformative moment, clearing the way for new blessings and signifying that sometimes letting go of the old is necessary to welcome the new. Each of these tests is a crucial step in our manifestation journey, designed by the universe to strengthen, prepare, and align us with our truest aspirations. The path may be challenging, but it leads to a destination rich with fulfillment and enlightenment. Tests from the universe can be recognized by certain telltale signs. One key indicator is the recurrence of specific themes or issues, suggesting that there's a lesson we need to learn or a pattern we must break. These challenges frequently push us out of our comfort zones, forcing us to confront our fears or weaknesses we might prefer to avoid. For instance, repeated scenarios that test our patience or resilience could signify the universe's way of strengthening these traits in us. Another sign is the appearance of obstacles that, while initially daunting, lead to significant personal and professional growth. These tests often require us to develop new skills or adopt new perspectives, ultimately guiding us closer to our true potential. Recognizing these signs enables us to approach life's challenges not as mere hindrances, but as opportunities crafted by the universe for our evolution. Deciphering whether a challenge is a test of pure resolve or a signal to pivot involves a thoughtful blend of introspection and strategy. First, assess if the challenge aligns with your long-term goals. A challenge that propels you toward your objectives, despite being difficult, often serves to strengthen your resolve. Conversely, if you find yourself repeatedly veering off course, it might be time to consider a pivot. Reflect on your progress. Are you moving forward, or does the challenge leave you stagnant? Listen to your intuition. It's a powerful guide in such crossroads. Additionally, weigh the cost of perseverance. If the challenge is causing undue stress or strain without a clear benefit, reevaluating your path might be a wise idea. Seeking external perspectives can also offer valuable insights. Ask a trusted friend or loved one for help. Remember, sometimes a minor adjustment in approach rather than a drastic change in direction is sufficient. Viewing challenges as opportunities for growth requires a shift in perspective, recognizing them as catalysts for learning and self-improvement. Embrace each challenge with curiosity, asking, what can this teach me? This mindset transforms obstacles into stepping stones, encouraging resilience, innovation, and adaptability, essential qualities for navigating life's journey with grace and purpose. Ultimately, striking a balance between rational assessment and gut feeling is key. Limiting beliefs are like invisible barriers in our minds, often holding us back from realizing our full potential. These beliefs, formed from past experiences or societal norms, can create doubts and fears, making it challenging to manifest our true desires. To overcome these mental obstacles, self-reflection is key. Take a step back and examine your thought patterns. Ask yourself why you hold certain beliefs and whether they truly reflect your reality. How can we actively transform these challenges into opportunities for growth? I have several tools to help you use the universe's tests to elevate spiritually. My favorite of these tools is intuition, as it is a direct line to the universe's wisdom. If you would like me to share a video on these transformative tools, write transformation in the comments below. The universe's tests, while sometimes daunting, are not roadblocks, but stepping stones toward our greater development. They call for a deep understanding of ourselves and our goals, a fine-tuning of intuition, and the courage to adapt when necessary. Remember, every challenge has a lesson, and every pivot is an opportunity for growth. I appreciate you for tuning into my frequency today. If this message resonates with you, I invite you to engage with it more deeply. Comment below with how the universe has challenged you and how you have aligned more closely with your desires because of it. Have you faced a challenge that strengthened your resolve, or did you find wisdom in pivoting? Share your story. And if you find value in our exploration, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Your participation not only enriches our community, but also helps guide my content to better serve you. May your path be enlightening. Until next time, beloved.